Hi, I'm John McRaven, and this is the first viewer-originated question of the day. Why do people hiccup? We recruited Josh to help find the answer.
This is Science with Josh.
So, Josh, why do people hiccup?
I have researched this and have come to the conclusion that hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. As the muscle
when you try your best but you don't succeed.
As the muscle contracts repeatedly, the opening between the vocal cords snaps shut to check the intake of air. This is what makes the hiccup sound. Irritation of the nerves that extend from the neck to the chest can also cause the hiccup. This is Thank you for listening. And if you have any science questions, just contact us at askscienceWithJosh@gmail.com. And thank you for all your viewer support. It's because of you guys that this episode was made, and we would like you to have a nice day.